I'm just gonna capture the scene right here. It's really kind of cool. There's a lot of people that are right there. They'll take a photo of the Grand Lisboa, and actually this whole area just kind of has a nice little feel to it. So we're basically just gonna go down and just kind of see where they're filming at. And up there is Say, directly that way as well. Let's see if we can get through here. That was a little bit too many people. But anyways, we're just gonna sit right here. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're gonna just basically highlight this little area right here. So we're gonna go over to that spot, and we're also gonna go kind of in this little circle, more or less. So we're gonna, before we even start, just kind of show the parameter of it. Goes, there's a phone booth down here. This is actually Avenida de Praia Grande, which is where the big beach road is right here. So all of that over there is the historic land that's always been there, and then this is where the beach used to be, and then these are all like buildings on reclaimed land. Kind of interesting. It's like the style is different, so it's kind of interesting. And then next we're gonna go over here because everybody here is got their cameras out, basically. And there's a reason for it as well. So right there, everybody has their cameras out. They're just like filming this one right there. Oops. I'm gonna try to go like that. But I'm gonna, it's kind of hard to circle to, everybody has their cameras out, so it's kind of interesting. But they're all filming the Grand Lisboa right there. And actually that's our target street right there as well, this little plaza right here. I don't know the name of this plaza, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna label it exactly. I guess we could label it this one, Rua do Pedro Jose Lobo, because that actually is what this is. So we're gonna walk back in this way. And then we're gonna, I can't really, so we're gonna wait for that light, and then we're gonna go across, and we're gonna just go down a little bit. There we go. It's so crowded that I can't quite get the picture of everybody that's filming that right there. Waiting for our light as well. There we go. So now we're gonna walk across. This is kind of interesting. These are popping up in some of the places where tourists go. Sardines in a jar. Okay. So this is actually our target street right here. Rua do Dr. Pedro Jose Lobo. And that's actually the end of the street. You can see the Grand Lisboa up there too. Let me just go across a little bit. This street kind of feels a little bit chaotic because I'm not really filming it properly. But there's another image of the Grand Lisboa Casino right there as well. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. Just showing you how that one street is so aligned. Okay. So I guess what we're gonna do for this particular video is we'll just do our Pedro Lobo Street. Oh, scooter. It's down. I don't know if that was a... Oh, I guess this is the car. So this car... I guess that's well, anyways, we'll just walk across here like this. Looks like he's gonna push the anyway. Kind of strange. So yeah, my focus of this street was just to capture this. I feel like I kind of got really sidetracked. But I was going to capture all the people that were filming here, because that's usually there's all these people that do the Instagram. I don't know if they read about it or you just kind of stumble upon it, and then when you stumble upon it, they're kind of impressed by it. That's our target street right there. Actually, from this angle, you can also get pretty good view of the tourist areas up that way as well. So if you can see that up there, there's a yellow building up there. So that's all like Say area. So if you go up there, it goes up into the traditional Macau. It's a beautiful building right there. Yeah, that building is probably original. That's probably was there when the ocean was here. So originally this Avenida de Praia Grande right here used to be a beach. So I'm sure that some of these buildings were not here, but that colonial one probably was. And there's a few other on that street that would have, I kind of got the impression that more of them would have looked like that. Maybe that was one of the better ones, or who knows. But that did overlook the ocean anyways. What we're standing on is all ocean. Looks like he's still... I think that car, I don't know what happened there. Okay. There's a pharmacy right here. Just gonna go down on this side. This street actually goes all the way down to João Manuel Santos Ferreira, lawyer. There's a lot of Portuguese lawyers here, so. They're all getting, that's beef au pau. This girl right here with the box, it's like that box is like egg tarts, and they get it all in an alley. So I guess we'll go down, kind of getting away from my street. I feel a little bit distracted on this one. Like I'm not really targeting anything in particular. I started out trying to target that Instagram spot. So all the lines here for this place here. Cafe de Natal. Margaret, so that is actually one of the main ones. So everybody that's coming out will come out with these boxes. So you'll see that as they come out. So actually this is one of the big tourist spots in here. So yeah, Cafe de Natal. So, okay. There's more beef au pas right there. So, okay, so we're gonna head out and we're gonna head back to our Target Street. I don't know if I'm filming it with as much justice as it. And then down this way, technically this street goes all the way across to New Johan, which is a department store. There's just a lot of crowds here. So this is kind of one of the main streets. Kind of want to catch that 33 bus. Anyways, that one goes down to Sonata Square. Goes down to New Johan, so that is actually part of our street as well, across the way. But you know what? I'm gonna end it here. So they're on the wrong side of the street. Okay, so that was our Target Street right there, and that's Lobo, Pedro Lobo. Anyways, it'll be labeled accordingly. So we're gonna end this video. I'm gonna try to catch a bus and head on out of here. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la